Well, hello, Heather. How are you today?
I'm good. How are you, Michael?
I'm doing great. I want to welcome
Good.
everybody to another exciting mini podcast adventure in the world of insurance unlocked with Heather.
Yes, yes, we're back again.
Hey, I understand that you're going to tell us all about insurance umbrellas, what they are, what they do, and why we need them. So take it away.
Yeah, so umbrellas are one of those policies that not a lot of people get, but they're really important. So on your normal auto and home owners policies, you have a personal liability limit. So if you were found legally liable, you have coverage up to those limits. Now an umbrella extends those. So it kind of acts like an umbrella and covers over everything to protect you more.
Yeah.
Um, so let's say you had a swimming pool. Let's talk about homeowners insurance. You have a liability limit on your home, you have a pool, a kid comes over, ends up getting hurt or drowns in the pool. If they find you legally liable and they sue you and come after you, you have a built-in limit. Now, with a death, more than likely it will exceed that built-in limit. So your umbrella can extend your liability coverage and pay out on
Mm.
top of your built-in policy limit on the home. So they usually start at $1 million and they can go up from there.
Oh, that's a really
So,
good
and
thing.
they're pretty reasonable. They're not real expensive. They're a few hundred, $300, $400 a year, and you can have your liability covered.
Okay. And that covers like for any like residential and commercial. Can if I have a commercial property, can I get an
Yes,
umbrella?
yes, there are commercial umbrellas. So if it's for a personal auto or home, you would get a personal umbrella. If you have a building or a landlord policy that you rent out, you would need a commercial umbrella for that.
What about my um, car? Can I
Yeah.
get a commercial umbrella for that?
If you had a commercial auto, yes, but a personal umbrella would go into place for a personal auto. And again, with personal autos, you're driving your car, you hit somebody, you're found legally liable, you have your built-in limits. More than likely, it could exceed those. So then your umbrella would step in and help cover above and beyond that.
So when should I get my umbrella? Like when I get my home insurance, right when we start, or should I wait down the road? When is the best time to get my umbrella coverage?
You can get an umbrella at any time. Normally, it does require you have autos and a home, at least
Oh,
one auto and one home.
okay.
But if you currently are insured for an auto and home and don't have an umbrella, now's the time to get one.
Okay.
But if
So,
I would say if you're shopping your insurance, have somebody quote an umbrella for you as well. It
oh,
also provides a discount more than likely with your auto and home insurance, so it can save you money on those as well.
okay. So some of the benefits of the umbrella are number one, just like what you said, I can get a discount on
Yeah,
my other stuff.
absolutely.
It's going to provide some extra protection on top of what I already have in my policy for
Yep.
both my home and my auto, either residential and or commercial.
Mm-hmm.
And it just provides, to me, it seems like it's provides a lot of extra safety, security, and some peace of mind because I don't have to worry.
Absolutely.
That's great.
Absolutely.
So, Heather, if somebody has more questions and they'd like to set up a consultation to get an umbrella policy, how can they contact you?
Yeah, they can call our office at 435-251-9102. We do have Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. You can also email our office at udandassociates@amfam.com. That's UDYANDASSOCIATES@amfam.com. We also have an office here behind Wingers and Applebee's right off of River Road. So we'd love to have you stop by as well and come chat with us.
Wingers and Applebee's. So, like,
Yeah.
we can have lunch and get our
You
umbrella
could, you
policy.
could at this, you could eat and get insured.
I'm excited. I'll be right over.
The best
Oh
combination.
my gosh. I want to remind everybody that Heather has a full-blown podcast called Insurance Unlocked. You can check out all the episodes on YouTube and also on all the other major podcast channels. Look for Insurance Unlocked with Heather. Thank you so much, Heather. We'll see you
Yes,
again
thanks,
next time.
Michael. We'll talk to you later.
You take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.